International English Olympiad, Class 4, Grade 4. Sample Practice Paper 4. Word and Structure Knowledge. Question number 1. It is dash same book which I had lost last week. Option A, option B, the, option C, an. The correct answer is option B, the. It is the same book which I had lost last week. Question number 2. My sister always leaves dash milk in the glass. Option A, more, option B, some, option C, much. The correct answer is option B, some. My sister always leaves some milk in the glass. Question number 3. I don't have dash money in my pocket. Option A, some, option B, two, option C, any. The correct answer is option C, any. I don't have any money in my pocket. Question number 4. Dash books have not been written for children. Option A, more, option B, many, option C, much. The correct answer is option B, many. Many books have not been written for children. Question number 5. I have bought dash new dictionary. Option A, option B, this, option C, that. The correct answer is option A, I have bought a new dictionary. Question number 6. Our school bus always reaches our pickup point dash time. Option A, at, option B, in, option C, on. The correct answer is option C, on. Our school bus always reaches our pickup point on time. Question number 7. A small rat hides dash the fridge. Option A, beside, option B, under, option C, over. The correct answer is option B. A small rat hides under the fridge. Question number 8. Sorry, I dash not write with my left hand. Option A, could, option B, may, option C, can. The correct answer is option C, can. I cannot write with my left hand. Question number 9. I think Sonal dash not apply for fee concession. Option A, may, option B, would, option C, might. The correct answer is option C, might. I think Sonal might not apply for fee concession. Question number 10. You had been listening to the radio FM dash 5 am. Option A, from, option B, for, option C, since. The correct answer is option C, since. You had been listening to the radio FM since 5 am. Question number 11. Will you be able to cut this apple dash your left hand? Option A, from, option B, by, option C, with. The correct answer is option C, with. Will you be able to cut this apple with your left hand? Question number 12. I don't travel to school dash bus as it is overcrowded. Option A, on, option B, by, option C, from. The correct answer is option B, by. I don't travel to school by bus as it is overcrowded. Question number 13. Honey eats his breakfast dash. He gets late to take school bus. Option A, slowly, option B, fastly, option C, gradually. The correct answer is option A, slowly. Honey eats his breakfast slowly. He gets late to take school bus. Question number 14. Of all the brothers, Gopal is the dash cheerful person. Option A, more, option B, most, option C, a. The correct answer is option B, most. Of all the brothers, Gopal is the most cheerful person. Question number 15. He studies regularly dash about 5 hours a day. Option A, since, option B, at, option C, for. The correct answer is option C, for. He studies regularly for about 5 hours a day. Question number 16. I like to take dash for a few hours. Option A, sleep, option B, rest, option C, changing. The correct answer is option B, rest. I like to take rest for a few hours. Question number 17. My brother is a cricketer but he soon gets dash tired to join any school team. Option A, more, option B, most, option C, two. The correct answer is option C, two. My brother is a cricketer but he soon gets too tired to join any school team. Question number 18. Tony likes dash play football. Option A, option B, more, option C, two. The correct answer is option C. 2. Tony likes to play football. Select the word or phrase to match the description. Question number 19. An underground railway system in a large city in Britain. Option A. Speed railways. Option B. Subway. Option C. Metro. The correct answer is metro. Question number 20. Goods sent from one country to another country for trade or business. Option A. Export. Option B. Import. Option C. Deliver. The correct answer is option A. Export. Import means to buy goods or services from other countries. Export means to sell goods or services to another country. So here the correct answer is export. Question number 21. A place from where you can buy stamps and some letters and parcels. Option A. Parcel office. Option B. Stamp place. Option C. Post office. The correct answer is option C. Post office. Read the following letter and answer the questions that follow. 13th August. Dear Rashi, we visited the national park near Ranchi. We saw a lovely flower called the pansy there, which grows in gardens. There is a fairy tale which tells where the pansy came from. The story tells about a wicked queen who was angry because her son wanted to marry a beautiful girl who worked in the palace kitchen. Do you know what she did? She ordered her magician to turn her into an ugly girl. But the girl was so beautiful that the magician turned her into a flower, the pansy. People think they can see a face in the pansy's petals. These pansies don't have any fragrance, they are pretty and keep growing almost all summer even if you pick them. It is said that the pansies smell wonderful, but a fairy cursed and lost its smell. Another name for pansies is kiss me. Time up. I must pack my school bag to leave for school in 10 minutes. Why don't you write nowadays? Is Google not helping you? Try once again. With love. Shyam. Question number 22. Where is the national park located? It is dash. Option A. Bihar. Option B. Chhattisgarh. Option C. Near Ranchi. The correct answer is option C. Near Ranchi. Question number 23. What is the other name for pansy? Option A. Touch me not. Option B. Rose. Option C. Kiss me. The correct answer is option C. Kiss me. Question number 24. Two things peculiar to pansy are that dash. Option A. It has fragrance and that they survive even in cold weather. Option B. It has no fragrance and grows throughout the summer. Option C. It is pretty but can't survive throughout the summer. The correct answer is option B. It has no fragrance and grows throughout the summer. Question number 25. Pansy was once a beautiful girl but a wicked queen dash. Option A. Cursed her to become an ugly flower. Option B. Ordered a magician to turn her into an ugly girl. Option C. Turned her into an ugly looking flower. The correct answer is option B. Ordered a magician to turn her into an ugly girl. Question number 26. What action of the queen tells that she was wicked? Option A. She used to abuse the kitchen maid. Option B. She asked a magician to turn the kitchen girl into an ugly looking girl. Option C. She did not like the beauty of the girl who worked in the kitchen. The correct answer is option B. She asked a magician to turn the kitchen girl into an ugly looking girl. Spoken and written expression. Question number 27. Ravi, do you like sweets? Roni, dash. Option A. Sweets are harmful for health. Option B. It adds fat to liver. Option C. No, I don't. The correct answer is option C. No, I don't. Question number 28. Soha, my next film is going to entertain people of every age group. Dhawan, dash. Option A. Your previous film was rejected by the people. Option B. I also hope. I have seen a few shots. Option C. Who is doing that magic? The correct answer is option B. I also hope. I have seen a few shots. Question number 29. Sheila. It's been a wonderful time. Thank you for being with us. Neha, dash. Option A. I always oblige my friends. Option B. Oh, but the pleasure is mine. Option C. So you like my company? The correct answer is option B. Oh, but the pleasure is mine. Question number 30. Salesman. Sir, this is revised version of Tagore's novel. Customer dash. Option A. It cannot be because it is just a reprint. Option B. It does not seem to be. Option C. No. It was printed in 1993 last. Don't you see its poor printing and binding? The correct answer is option A. It cannot be because it is just a reprint. Achiever section. Question number 31. My father's birthday falls dash 20th March every year. Option A at, option B on, option C about. The correct answer is option B on. My father's birthday falls on 20th March every year. Question number 32. It is not necessary to agree dash what people say. Option A with, option B to, option C from. The correct answer is option A with. It is not necessary to agree with what people say. Question number 33. Select the word or phrase to match the description. A sport in which you do physical exercises on the floor and on different equipments, often in competitions. Option A stadium, option B gymnastics, option C aerobics. The correct answer is option B gymnastics. Question number 34. Choose the best reply to complete each conversation. Arav, it is terribly odd day. Sharath, dash. Option A. I agree with you, but I'm sure it would not be bearable by evening. Option B. It is going to be bearable soon. Option C. Yes, I can't stand such a heat. The correct answer is option C. Yes, I can't stand such a heat. Question number 35. Aaron, don't be so much emotional. It is just fiction. Aditya, dash. Option A. This may be fiction but is very true to what is happening around. Option B. Do you hate tears? Option C. My tears are natural. The correct answer is option A. This may be fiction but is very true to what is happening around. Thank you. Have a good day.